Welcome student. Today we study the sunflower crop which is in paper 1 syllabus. So this is the oilseed crop mostly grown all over the India throughout a year. So this crop should be also asked or also studied for our board exam question paper. So there are some points or there are different points are study for fill in the blanks and for 2 marks short note, and also there is ask question for AB information of sunflower crop or in tabular information. So carefully listen and study the sunflower crop of paper 1. So first we study or first we noted that the family of sunflower is the Composaceae and botanical name is Helianthus annuus and origin is North America. These are the important points. Sometime fill in the blanks questions should be asked. Sunflower belongs in ... family. That time we written as a Composaceae family. So there is some importance for this crop. Is mainly grown as a oilseed crop. So oil extract from sunflower seed and it is used as a eaten purpose in our daily diet. The one character of this oil is that it is not increase the cholesterol level in our human blood. So this oil is the important for heart patient who have heart diseases. That patients mostly use sunflower oil. So this is the important. It is mainly sunflower oil is mainly used for heart patient. Then we detail study the importance of sunflower. There is a number 1. It is mainly grown as a oilseed crop and oil is used as a preparation of food material and culinary purpose in Indian household. Then second is the oil percentage is in sunflower seed is 40 to 45%, and while oil extraction, that time oil cake is produced as a byproduct and it is used as a fodder of cattle, and this oil cake include 44% crude proteins, which is more useful for the cattle. Then the yeast does not increase the cholesterol level in human blood. So sunflower oil is mostly used for heart patients, and leaves of sunflower is also used to prepare medicine against the fever. In China, sugar and paper pulp is also produced or manufactured from sunflower stalk. Sunflower has oil have nutritious values. There are that is rich in source of vitamin D, vitamin E, minerals like ferrous, calcium and protein available in that oil 14%. So sunflower oil is used as in manufacturing of soap, paint due to non-drying character. It has non-drying character and iodine value in sunflower oil is 113 to 136. So These points should be carefully noted or listened. Then we study the ecology. So, ecology, what is ecology? There are climatic requirement and soil requirements. So, first we study the climatic requirement. It can be grown wide ranges of climatic condition throughout a year. So, basically, it has a temperate climatic crop, or it is grown as a temperate climatic crop or temperate climatic region. So, it has required cool climate at the time of germination stage, hot and warm climate at the time of flowering stage, that is the productive growth, and temperature range is required 15th degree Celsius to 40 degree Celsius, and rainfall required is 250 millimeter to 750 millimeter per year, where these ranges rainfall occur in that area. It is grown successfully. That is, next one is it is photo insensitive crop. It cannot be tolerate frost condition. So these points should be carefully listened. And cloudy weather is harmful, that increase the attack of pests like leaf-eating caterpillar, flower head, boring caterpillars. So these are the important points in climatic requirement. Then we study the soil requirement. Generally, sunflower is classified as a heavy feeder crop, so proper selection of soil is important, and that gives higher yield. So, well drained and rich in organic matter soils, medium to heavy soil are best suitable for sunflower crop. Next one is it can be grown successfully in alluvial soils, black cotton soil, which is known as regur soils, sandy loam soils successfully. And care should be taken that in heavy soil, excess rainwater during the rainy season is immediately removed from the field or drain out from the field. So next one point is the waterlogging condition is harmful. So it is avoid, or waterlogging condition or waterlogging soils are avoided. Then we study the varieties of sunflower. There are following varieties: Modern, Sunrise, Surya, BSH1, Yam, Yas, Yap, Yach, -8. These are the varieties of sunflower. Next one, we also ask for 2 marks variety of sunflower. Write down the characters of modern variety of sunflower. So it can be also asked for 1 mark in fill in the blanks. Modern is the variety of ... crop. That time it is the variety of sunflower crop is our answer. So we study what are the characters of modern variety of sunflower. It is the dwarf variety of sunflower. It is suitable for light to medium soil. It is short durational variety. So it matured within 80 to 85 days after sowing time. It can be grown as a rainfed and as a irrigated condition, and average yield of this variety is 7 to 8 quintals per hectare. So these points are carefully listen or study for our 2 marks short note. Then we study the land preparation. What is the land preparation or preparatory tillage? First point we should be write down as after harvesting of previous crop, land is ploughed and stubbles and weed plants are collected and destroyed by burning outside of the field. The ploughing is given 15 to 20 centimeter deep, and land is exposed for sunlight for 1 to 1.5 month during the summer season. And after the light commencement of monsoon rainfall, just before or just after, harrowings are given to crush the clouds. There are 3 to 4 crosswise harrowings are given or harrow is operate, and at the time of last harrowing 8 to 10 tons FYM mix with soil properly, and finally land is prepared for sowing as a planting methods, that is ridges are open or prepared at proper distance. So next one point, that is the sowing time. Sowing time June July, it is the 15th June Kharif season, 15th June to 15th July. Rabi season October to November, and in summer season February to March, but mostly it is grown successfully in Rabi season, because during the Rabi season crop cultivation it gives more yield than any other season. So it is mostly grown in Rabi or winter season during the temperate or cool climate condition or weather. So next one is the seed treatments. There are two seed treatments, that is the one organomercurial fungicide compound treatment, and second is the water soaking treatment. Number 1, organomercurial fungicide compound treatment. The object of this treatment is the prevention of seed-borne diseases like rust before the sowing of seeds. It is treated with 1% fungicide mercury, 1% organomercurial fungicide compound like agrosan or serosan or copper oxychloride 3 to 5 gram per kg seeds. It is rubbed properly to the seeds, and after that it is used for sowing. So next one seed treatment is the water soaking treatment. The object of this treatment is the early and quick germination of seeds. Before the sowing of seeds, it is soaked in a fresh water for 12 to 24 hours in fresh water, and after that it is used for sowing. After that the seeds are taken out from the bucket which are accumulated at the bottom, and seeds which are floated on the surface of water, that is removed, and it is of type seeds. So these seeds are not used for sowing which are floated on the surface of water, because it is false type or of type seeds. So after that the seeds are dried in a shade and then it is used for sowing. It helps quick and early germination of sunflower seeds. Then there are different sowing methods. There are two sowing methods. It can be sown by two ways, that is the one drilling method, number second dibbling method. These are also asked for 2 marks when it is asked in question for AB information of sunflower. That time sowing methods are also asked. That is it is a drilling method number 1. It is the most common and popular method of seed sowing followed in rain-fed region or rain-fed condition in heavy soils. After the land preparation, with the help of 2 bowled seed drill machine, seeds and fertilizers are sown at one time, and it helps to improve the germination of seeds and quick germination. So distance between plant to plant and row to row is taken near about 25 by 15 centimeter, 25 by 15 centimeter, and seeds are sown up to the 3 to 5 centimeter deep into the soil. So next one is the seed rate is required near about 10 kilogram seeds per hectare, and after drilling of seeds it is covered with soil. It is covered with soil by operating light harrow. These are the points of drilling method. Number second, the dibbling method. The dibbling method is also followed in medium soil as when it is grown as a irrigated condition. That time after the land preparation, at the time of last harrowing, ridges are open at proper distance, that is 45 to 60 centimeter apart from each other for tall and dwarf varieties respectively. With the help of marker, marking is given a side of ridge at 30 centimeter for tall varieties and 20 centimeter for dwarf varieties, and two seeds are dibbled at each spot up to the 3 to 5 centimeter deep, and after that it is covered with moist soil. In this method, interculture operations are given easily and also receive the maximum space for plant to plant, and seed rate is required lower than drilling method, that is the 3 to 4 kilogram seeds tall varieties and 1.5 to 2 kilogram seeds for dwarf varieties, and after that sowing of seeds light irrigation water is given immediately. These are the points of dibbling method of sunflower. Next points we studied in next video. Thank you, students.